Hi, I'm Mr. Maths, and today we'll be looking at a revision lesson on Functional Skills Level 2 Maths Percentages. Understanding percentages. Percent means out of 100. The percent sign is a short way of writing percent. The percent sign after a number means out of 100. So if you see the 20 here, it means 20 out of 100. This is the same as 20 out of 100. 100% represents the whole amount of something. You can write any percentage as a fraction or a decimal. So if you look here, 20% equals 20 out of 100, which also equals 0.20. Now this is really important to be able to convert your percentage into a decimal so that we can complete calculations. Calculating the percentage of something. If you need to calculate the percentage of something, multiply the decimal that's equivalent to the percentage. Example 1. What is 17% of 1,580? Turn the percentage into a decimal. 17% equals 17 divided by 100, which equals 0.17. Multiply by the decimal. 0.17 multiplied by 1,580 equals 268.6. You can work out a percentage without a calculator by breaking it down into parts, which is easier to work out. Example 2. A hotel has 500 rooms. 63% of the rooms have been booked. How many rooms have been booked? Break down the percentage into easier parts. So 63% equals a 50%, a 10%, and 3 1%. So now we work out the parts. So 50% equals 500 divided by 2, which is 250. 10% equals 500 divided by 10, which is 50. And 1% of 500 equals 500 divided by 100, which is 5. So now we've broken them down into parts, we can just add them together to get our correct answer. Add up to find out 63%. 63 equals 50% plus 10% plus 3 1%. So 50% of 500, as we found out, is 250. Plus 10% of 500, which is 50, plus our 3 1%, which we know 1% of 500 is 5, so we just add 3 5s onto it. So the total we have now is 315. So there are 315 rooms that have been booked. Here are some practice questions. Pause the video now. And here are your answers. In summary, calculating the percentage of something. Remember to divide the percentage by 100. This will give you a decimal. Multiply the number you want to find the percentage of with this decimal to find out the percentage. Well done. I've been Mr. Maths. Please like and subscribe.